Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you all are good. So I'm back with a great new thing again, and it is a funny language I got to know, created by someone named Aniket Singh and History. So you can just check them out or contact them. So they have created a toy programming language. It is written in TypeScript. It's named Bhai Lang. So it's like the Bhai language. So in Hindi, bhai it literally means brother. So we just contact each other like bhai ye, bhai wo. So it's just like that, and it's a conversational language. So it's funny way. So they have created this project. It's a whole new language. So we will try to explore this, and let's see how it is. So going to the playground. So it is the playground. Some code is already written here. So hi bhai. So hi bhai is simply like main functions. Like we're declaring the main functions. Then under that, uh, I guess it's hi bhai is just a function. I guess maybe main function or just a function, something like that. So we are written like hi bhai. Then bol bhai. Bol bhai is simply like printing the value, right? Hi bol bhai hello world, then hello world will be printing. Then bhai a hai a equals to 3, so it's simply like we are assigning value to the variables, like a equals to 3. So again bhai a hai b equals to 0, simply like b equals to 0. So we are just declaring the variables and assigning values to them. And then जब तक भाई b less than 5. So it's simply like jab tak bhai, like loops, like we in other languages we loops, like till this it will be, the loop will be running, something like that. Jab tak bhai matlab till that it will run. So if you're Indian, like okay, and if you know Hindi, then you will literally relate it and you will get to know very easily. But still I'm also telling you all how it is, right? So jab tak bhai, till b less than 5 it will run, and under that bol bhai. So bol bhai is simply like printing the value. So b will be printed. So till b less than 5 b will be printing, and it still it is not incremented. So I guess only v equal to 0 will be printed, right? Then agar bhai is simply like if this will happen, right? So agar bhai b equals to a, if b equals to a, then we'll be printing b is equal to a, right? Nahi to bhai, like as if, right? Like if b equals to a, then we'll be printing this, or else it will be printing this, right? So nahi to bhai, if b equals to 0, then we'll be printing b equals to 0, right? Then under that, at the end b will be incremented, right? Then we'll be ending the function, I guess, by bhai. So it's jump something like a return, I guess, in C++ or other languages. So you will get to learn by the documentation also. They have created a documentation also, to rerun. Bylang is dynamic toy programming language based on an inside joke written in TypeScript. So really funny way to create some project, right? Then hi bye is the entry point of the program. So it's, as I said, the main functions, and bye bye is the end, just like return, I guess. And then variables can be declared by bhai ye bhai, bhai bhai ye hai. Okay, yes, I said variables can be declared like bhai ye hai a equals 10, something like that. And as other languages, comments are written in double backslash. And yeah, types. So you can write other languages, other different types of variables, right? Bhai hai a equals to 10, bhai b equals to this. So it will detect the type of the variable, just like JavaScript, I guess, var, right? Then as null values can be written as nulla, right? So it's a really funny way, right? If you really know Hindi, then it will really sound funny to you. So null values are declared as nanna. Then sahi and galat are the boolean values. So sahi means true and galat means false in Hindi. So they have written this also. Then use bol bhai to print anything to console, right? So print something, you will use bol bhai. Then conditionals, as I said, like if is written is agar bhai, then if it will be true like sahi, then it will be printed, or else nahi to bhai is simply like as if. And if then varna bhai is like else, I guess, yeah, varna bhai is else, then galat means false. So whatever we speak normally in Hindi, they have written that only. So loops. So jab tak bhai, like simply till it will run the loop, right? So jab tak bhai, this it will run the loop, right? Then simply agla dekh bhai is means, okay, use baskar bhai to break the loop. Okay, to break the loop you will use baskar bhai, or to continue we will use agla dekh bhai. So very conversational way they have used these things. Okay, so you can simply debug the code, right? If you learn whatever things means, right? So high by is entry point, then bhai hai, they are assigning values to the variables. Then jab tak bhai, it is just loop till a less than 10 it will run, and a will be incremented. Then agar bhai, like if a equals to 5, then will be printed agar अंदर से बोल भाई. Or agla dekh bhai is just like agla dekh bhai is continuous, or else you will continue and then come out the this thing loop. And then agar bhai, if a equals to 6, then baskar bhai will be printed, baskar bhai will be break. Okay, so if a equals to 6, then we will break the loop, then it will come to the other break out of the loop. Then bol bhai a, so a will be printed, right? Then bol bhai done, then done will be printed, and bhai a is just ending the like code, right? So you can just copy these things and run on the this thing, right? Okay, playground, and it will make you more clear. So we will try to run this. Simply as I said, the hello world is printed. Then if a b equals to less than 5, then b will be printed, and as it is not incremented, nothing will be printed more. So 0 is printed. Then if b equals to a, b is equals to a. So since b is not equals to a, then else if b equals to 0, then b is equals to 0 will be printed. So b is equal to 0 is printed. Then again b is incremented now. So b is incremented now, and then bol bhai b, so b is 1 printed. So b equals to a, no. B equals to 0, it is no. Then again b will be printed 2. So b is less than 5, 2, so b will is printed. Then agar bhai, if b equals to a, so b is 2, a is 3, not printed. B is not also 0 also, it is really not printed. This b is again incremented, and till then it will grow like 3. Then if 3 b is equals to a, so 3 is printed, then b is equals to a is printed. Then b will be incremented to 4, and 4 less than 5 true, b will be printed 4. Then no of the if else will run, and if b plus, then b will be incremented to 5, and 5 less than 5 is false, so it will come out the loop, right? Similarly, we'll try to you copy this and just paste here. Okay, okay, we'll try to run this. So as I said, like a less than 10. Okay, so a less than 10, 0 less than 10 true, then a is incremented to 1. So if 1 less than equal to 5, no, then it will come agla dekh bhai, like continue. Then again if a equals to 6, 1 equals to 6, break up with bhai, and then just bol bhai will be printed 1. Okay, then again the loop will run, and a is incremented to 2. Okay, and 2 equals to 5, no, false. Then it will continue, then it will come out. Then 1 2 equals to 6, no. Then again 2 will be printed. Then similarly 3 will be printed, 4 will be printed. Like 5 equals to 5, it is true, then under say bol 5 will be printed. Okay, then it will continue, and 5 not equals to 6, then it will break up the loop. Then like bol bhai 5 is not printed. uh, Okay, okay. So yeah, since five is five, it will be printed and then directly come here only. Then done will be printed, right? So this is how this thing will work, as simply as other languages, right? Other languages, how you debug code, it's simply like that. But just you have to know the conversational way, how what thing means what, right? So if you know Hindi, it will be very much helpful for you to understand these things. Okay, so pretty fun way they have created a project in a language, and I hope it's really funny and really interesting. If you want to run these on your own local machine, then you can use npm I minus g violin. So you can use these things. So credits to Rishabh Tripathi and Aniket Singh for creating this, and they have done a really good way to learn TypeScript and like create a project out of it, right? And if you want to contact if you want to so you view the source code, then just go to the like GitHub repo. So this is the GitHub repo, so by link. Okay, and if you want to like contribute, or if you want to contact them, Aniket Singh, you can simply contact to them. This is the guy, Aniket Singh. This is the GitHub repo of him. Sorry, GitHub repo, no, GitHub account. And this is history. So Rishabh Tripathi, this is his GitHub account. So you can contact these guys. Really great project I got found, and I hope you have enjoyed the video also with me and explore these things. So if you like my video and whatever I'm sharing, please do subscribe my channel and thumbs up this video. I'll be getting back with some next video with some next great news. So till then, have a great day. Bye.